Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Erica with Residentially Fashion, and today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making the tuxedo or the wedding um, tuxedo and dress for the bride and groom. What I did here is I took two empty wine bottles, I painted them, I did a primer first, and then I did just one coat of primer and then two coats of the black gloss here. So I did that off camera first. I'll be using for the tuxedo, this is for like the collar of the tuxedo. Let's put it up close so you can see it. It's silver satin ribbon, or excuse me, it's not. This is the gross grain with metallic stripe ribbon. So I'll be using that. And then what I'll do is change over to, for his suit, I'll change over to the black satin ribbon. And I may or may not use some of the diamond wrap, which is that. Okay, and what I picked up all these ribbons from the Dollar Tree. Okay, the paint I got from Walmart. My glue gun I got from Walmart. My glue sticks from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to attempt to make hats also with these. So I'm going to cover these, then I'm going to take some cardboard and make brims. Okay, so we'll put that aside. I think I have everything. Let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to take the first bottle, and I've already measured this around the neck. So, okay, so I'll put some glue here. And glue that there. It's kind of hot. And go around. Kind of pull it a little tight. Go around the back, put some glue. Just a little dot of glue, y'all. Okay. Pull that collar. Come around the front. And put some glue right there. Okay. So we have our first one. And I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to measure all the way down. Well, actually, this is going to be part of the collar. So I'm going to have maybe 3 of these around the collar, and then I'll start my black ribbon. Okay, I didn't want to do this off camera. I actually really want to show you the steps. So I'm going to cover up just a part of that strip right there and do like a little overhang here. Go around the back. I'm just measuring right now so I can cut it. So we're going around the back, and part of that strip's going to be cut like that. So that'll be the neck. What I'll do is cut this off. I'll measure one more. I just did this so you can see how I'm setting it up. Okay? So I'll be back. Okay, now we're going to start with the rest of the tuxedo, and we're going to look for the shiny side. They both look the same actually to me. So what we're going to do is start adding that on right on top of the white, and just going around just like we did on the other part. Okay, so we'll get started. I pre-cut this, but I wanted to show you how I was going to put it on. And I'm going to leave enough space here and on this side, so then we have this continuance going down the front of the jacket. Okay, now I will continue to do the same thing, going down to about here, and then I will come back and we'll start making the ribbon go around the bottle this way. So I'll just pre-cut some strips, and I'll glue those strips to the bottle up to about here. So I'd say about 4 inches, maybe 3.5 inches, and then I will finish with this part that should cover this part that goes around circular. Okay, so I'm going to start on this part so you can see. Start in the back. I'm going to start in the back. Okay. Alright everybody, as you can see, I've finished the bottom part of the glass up to a certain point of the jacket. This is how it looks in the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 more rows of this one, and it's going to overlap here in the front. So 3 more rows. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to show you how I pleated those. Here's my scissors. So we're going to put a pleat here, 2, 3, and 4. And just, you know, just kind of glue them down. The dot of glue. Okay, so that's how I did it in the back, so it could lie down, okay? Okay, now, as you guys can see, I have put these on. This is just temporary. I put these on, but I have one last one over here that I'm going to actually glue on, but I wanted to do that. Well, I'm actually going to glue all of them. These are just marking the spaces, basically. Okay, so I have the sash on. This is complete. And now what I'm going to do is take a ribbon and hide all the seams that are put together there. Okay, so I'm just gonna Go on up the seam. And just apply a little more. There it is. And now what I want to do is get these on here with glue so that they don't come off. It has that little glue on it, but that's not enough to keep them down. Just dab a little bit of that on there. Place it down. Okay, I think we got it. All right. I think we got it. Okay, so now I want to show you what I'm going to do with, I pre-made a pelt. What I did was I took some of the ribbon, some of the black ribbon, just cut a little square out of it. Then I took another cut out of the white and silver, and what I did was I placed it right about there, and then I folded this under and glued everything. Okay, so that's how I made the pelt. So I'll put that about and the other one will go, of course, on this side. Okay, let me put some glue underneath the bottom. Okay, everyone, as you can see, I have completed the front of the jacket. I've put the two pelts on. That's how it looks. And now what I'm going to do is put the glue the pocket on up here. Okay? Okay, I've slipped a little bit of it inside, and so what I'll do is I'll take my little tweezers here and just kind of push it in. Okay, so there it goes, and then now I will add just a little bit of glue to hold it in place. Okay, so that's that. I cut out a piece of ribbon, folded it in half, as you can see, so I could see where the center is. And what I'm going to do is, okay, so I'm going to fold it up to the crease and put a little glue, just a dot of glue. There. And dot of glue on the opposite side. Okay, so there's that. And what I'll do is kind of pinch it together. I'm going to start here. I'm going to put a little glue here. Attach. Just kind of tuck it in together. I'm going to put some glue here too, so I don't have this little problem. Okay, just put that together like that. Come around the back, kind of squish that together. It'll meet in the back. Push that in. And cut off the excess. Let's see. I have my little bow tie, and now what I'll do is affix it to the bottle. Okay, so I'm going to just put a dab. I'm going to put a dab of glue here and affix the tie to the bottle. Okay. Okay, I went ahead and since my phone died, I went ahead and made the hat. So there's the hat. Okay,